Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Raw mango veg coleslaw sandwich. But first, a few words of raw mango and its properties. Nutritional value to start with. Advantages of raw mango. But disadvantages of raw mango. And the worst, Urushiol, the poisonous mango toxin. Beware. For more information on Urushiol, please view these videos that I have uploaded earlier. You will get information on how to remove Urushiol, and in case you get infected with Urushiol, what to do. Please watch them. And now, to a bowl of water, add fat bursting agents like salt, vinegar and lemon juice and the raw mangoes. Soak them for 10 to 15 hours. The longer, the better. And remove Urushiol. Our first ingredient, Urushiol-free raw mango chutney. But in case you have missed it, please scroll down or see the playlist Mango and Dishes, or click the link given in the description for this video. Watch it there, please. These are the essentials to make a healthy and a tasty coleslaw. Cabbage, carrot, capsicum, steamed corn, lemon. And these are the options that make the coleslaw even more healthier. So you can use some of them or all of them also. And now chop or grate the vegetables with a chef knife or blend them in a blender. That makes it even more flavorsome. Now add all the vegetables, the essentials and the non-essentials or the optionals to blend. Now once the vegetables have been added, let's make some space, it is overflowing. Okay, now add some chili flakes. This is optional. And black pepper, this is essential. Again, black or any natural salt, again essential. And brown or any natural sugar, again essential. And oregano or any Italian seasoning, thyme, basil, mixed herbs, again essential. And mayonnaise, I'm using homemade mayonnaise. Now cap and give a light whisk. After that, add the lemon juice. Now recap and blend to a coarse finish and refrigerate till the coleslaw is to be used. And most important, do not hang to extract or throw away the water, as the water contains nutrients and flavors. And now lay a chopping board, keep a butter knife handy and bread slices ready. But remember, most important, never cut out the edges of the bread, as 80% of the carcinogen, nutrients and antioxidants rise to the edges during baking. Now apply a thin coat of butter, although optional, but what happens is it prevents your sandwich from getting soggy by soaking the water from the coleslaw. So apply butter to all the bread slices and now apply thin or thick, the choice is yours, coleslaw to the bread slices. You can apply it on both or you can apply it on one side, preferably, as I would suggest. And now take raw mango chutney and apply it to 2 of the slices or all 4 of the slices, depending upon how strong you want the taste of raw mango chutney in your sandwich. Now when done, place the bread slices on top of each other. Wrap them in a cling film and refrigerate if you don't want to eat now, or cut them in any shape of your preference and serve with tea, coffee, juice, cold drink or any drink of your choice, though not required, with any chutney, sauce or dip. But remember to serve your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.